I would like to give thanks to my beautiful wife for ride or die. Where are we at today?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Yes, he was in the background, and we just out here to get these car parts, early in the morning to avoid that shipping. If you can get it in person, do so. Gotta go. Classic industry. That part. See, this is where we at. What we got here? Left hand, right hand. Okay. That one. Any more?
There's more.
There's more? Oh, okay. There's more. See what we got here. Quarter panel. Quarter panel. Yeah. You want to say bagger in a box? Shall we say Impala in a box? That's what it is, Impala in a box. As I was saying earlier, we got Impala in a box. Trunk pan shelf. We got rear trunk. Quarter panels. Inner fender wells. We got rocker panels. Headers. Some nice new inserts for your interior parts. And cop these metal pieces right here. I don't even know what these went to. Wheelhouse cover, trim panel, piece, stuff like that. Yeah. The bases for those. Yeah. For the armrests. And least but not to be forgotten, these are for the 61, those armrest parts. So yeah. Keep moving, y'all. Keep moving. I see you when I see you. Well, we want to call that box Chevy life, where it's all in boxes. Literally in boxes. Quarter panels, floor pan, rear pan, fender wells. Yeah, like I said, just that box Chevy life. That part. Oh yeah, this is what? 11/22, the date. We're getting the parts together. Hey, box Chevy life. Hey y'all, here I am. We got Chevy. Well, I call it box Chevy. I made me say why I call it box Chevy, because it's in boxes. That came in boxes. That came in boxes. This stuff didn't come in a box, but I got it. But this is where we're going with this. Letting you see what I see. To be continued. One step at a time. We gotta go from the ground up. We over here in the Bat Cave, and so if you don't know, well, it ain't for you to know. But we're getting closer to the starting point. So we got every trip starts from somewhere. So this is where my trip starts at. We got doors, we got quarter panels, we got floor pans, we got trunk shelves, fender well humps, floor pan, logwood, I see you. And that's where we at with it. My man said, hey, we're gonna make it happen, so Got the parts, show me something. That's all I gotta say.